Take a moment. Look around you. Reinforced cement concrete, or RCC, is virtually everywhere, silently and efficiently supporting our daily lives in ways we often overlook. It's the very backbone of the towering skyscrapers that define our cityscapes, the sturdy foundation of bridges that connect communities, the reliable structure of tunnels that ease our commutes, and even the seemingly simple sidewalks beneath our feet, providing safe passage for everyone. Without reinforced cement concrete, or RCC, as the core component, our modern cities as we know them simply wouldn't exist in their current form. RCC forms the skeleton of buildings, providing the necessary support and stability, the strength behind overpasses, ensuring safe and efficient transportation, and the long-lasting durability of the essential infrastructure we rely on every single day. It allows us to build higher into the sky, span farther across vast distances, and create safer public and private spaces for all to enjoy. From massive stadiums where we gather to celebrate, to underground garages that efficiently store our vehicles, RCC fundamentally shapes the world we live in, influencing our daily experiences. So next time you see a particularly impressive or towering structure, remember, the real magic lies within the RCC, diligently holding it all together, ensuring its strength and stability. It's far more than just a simple building block. It's a solid promise of enduring safety, long-term reliability, and lasting longevity. And that's precisely what building it right is fundamentally all about. So what makes RCC so powerful? It's a composite, concrete and steel working together. Concrete is made from cement, sand, gravel and water. It's great at handling compression, but concrete alone is weak when pulled apart. That's where steel comes in. Steel bars or rebars are embedded to handle tension. The result? A material that resists both crushing and stretching. Concrete protects steel from rust and fire, while steel keeps concrete from cracking. This partnership is why RCC is the foundation of modern construction. It's a simple recipe, but it's changed the world. RCC's strength, flexibility, and durability in one. To truly appreciate the genius of reinforced concrete, or RCC, imagine a simple beam, a fundamental element in any building structure. Now, picture weight pressing down on this beam, the force of gravity constantly at play. The top of the beam experiences compression, while the bottom is subjected to tension, a stretching force. Concrete is exceptionally strong at handling compression. It can bear immense loads, but tension is its Achilles heel. It would crack and fail under tensile stress unless it's reinforced. That's precisely why steel rebars are strategically placed in the zones where tension is expected. Most commonly, you'll find them at the bottom of beams, where tension forces are highest. The steel is incredibly resilient and stretches without breaking, absorbing the tensile forces, effectively holding the concrete together and preventing those critical cracks. This placement isn't arbitrary, it's absolutely critical. Putting steel in the wrong spot or miscalculating the forces can unfortunately lead to structural disaster. Now consider cantilevered structures, those impressive overhangs like balconies here. The tension zone dramatically shifts to the opposite side, and consequently, the steel reinforcement goes on top to counteract those forces. The true strength of RCC lies in a deep understanding of these internal forces, and strategically using each material precisely where it excels most, optimizing their individual strengths. It's a perfectly balanced division of labor, a synergistic relationship between two materials. And that's the fundamental secret to creating safe, incredibly durable, and lasting structures that stand the test of time. RCC's advantages are clear and compelling. Exceptional strength, capable of bearing immense loads and stresses. Remarkable durability, allowing structures to withstand the elements and the passage of time, often for generations. Inherent fire resistance, providing crucial protection against the spread of flames and structural collapse in the event of a fire. And unparalleled design flexibility, opening up a world of possibilities for architects and engineers. It can be molded into almost any shape imaginable, making bold and innovative architecture possible, pushing the boundaries of structural design. The raw materials, like cement and aggregates, are affordable and widely available across the globe, making RCC a cost-effective and practical choice for large-scale construction projects and infrastructure development. But it's not without its challenges. RCC demands a workforce of skilled labor and requires careful, meticulous supervision at every stage of the process. The steel reinforcement must be placed with absolute precision, following the design specifications to the millimeter, and the concrete must be mixed and poured correctly, ensuring proper consolidation and preventing segregation. Proper curing takes time and patience. Rushing the curing process weakens the structure and compromises its long-term integrity. Even seemingly minor mistakes during construction can lead to hidden flaws and weaknesses, potentially creating significant safety risks down the line. Building with RCC requires not only patience, but also a high level of expertise and skill, and an unwavering commitment to quality control at every stage, from material selection to final inspection. When it comes to RCC construction, there are no shortcuts to success, only the right way, adhering to best practices and rigorous standards. And that's precisely how RCC structures stand the test of time, enduring for decades and even centuries. How do we ensure RCC structures are safe? By following strict building codes and standards. In India, IS 456, 2000 sets the rules. Other countries have their own codes. These codes dictate design, material quality, and construction methods, no exceptions. Cutting corners leads to disaster. Following the code is non-negotiable. Safety is a shared responsibility, from engineers to workers to inspectors. RCC's true power is unlocked only when used with skill and care. By respecting the material and the rules, we build cities that are strong, safe, and ready for the future. That's the promise of RCC.